This brand is made in China and can be purchased through their Shopify store, but they only have an average guarantee. They offer a basic 3-stage desktop air purifier with an adjustable night light. The unit has a 3-speed fan with a 483 square feet coverage area as well as a timer mode, but the unit can only be controlled through its display panel and it does not have a built-in air quality sensor. The unit has a filter change reminder, but it is only based on run time and not the amount of pollution in the air, which can lead to expensive unnecessary filter changes. The unit is very quiet when it is running in the sleep mode with a noise level that is equivalent to the ticking of a watch. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacRepairGuy.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HVAC Repair Guy will earn a fee that costs you nothing, and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.